Today, I'll show you how to use the Find and Replace feature in Canva. We're going to replace the word 2020 with 2025 across our entire project. As you can see, I have page 1 and page 2, both containing the word 2020 in their designs. Instead of changing each one manually, we'll update everything with just a few clicks. Go to the File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down, select Find and Replace Text. A pop-up will appear. In the first field, type 2020 for the word we want to find. In the second field, type 2025 our replacement word. Click Replace All and Canva will automatically update every instance of text in your project. This tool is perfect for making global changes across multiple pages quickly. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.